What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So this week I've been moving house and I found a product that I sold years ago. I used to sell this for $300 per sale, so per item online, and made very, very good money selling this particular product. What I want to do today before I throw this product away in the rubbish bin, I want to go over why I sold this product, and then I also want to go over why I stopped selling this product as well. Just kind of help you guys out with your dropshipping stores and selling products online. So let's jump into my office. I've been setting up this new recording studio here for you guys, which we're going to be doing in future videos. But let's go into my office and I will tell you exactly what this product is, why I sold it, why I stopped selling it, and why it was so unique to the market back then, and how you could possibly make money with this item yourself. Now, the reason I love this item so much, or sold it back in the day, is because you can sell it for a higher price, okay? I'm starting to get into high ticket items again. It's pretty much less work and more money, because it just takes the same effort to sell low priced items and high priced items. So let's go into my office and we'll talk about this product right here. Alright, so some of my long-time subscribers probably know what this is, because you know that I was very, and still am, interested in this niche. I've spent most of my life as a hobby in this particular niche. So what we have here, guys, is what we call a fiberglass fly fishing rod. This is a 3-piece fiberglass fishing rod. Now, what I'm going to do first is we'll go over the product. I'll tell you a little bit about the product and the story behind it. Then we'll go inside my computer and I'll show you some more cool stuff. So this is a 3-piece fiberglass rod. And when I actually bought these products, I bought them to test them because the story goes, guys, is back in the day when I was selling these, you couldn't drop ship these because you had to buy them in bulk from Alibaba. So I would buy bulk, 20, 30 at a time for like 26 bucks each, 50 bucks each. And then I was selling them for 300. So you could imagine the price, the margin, the profit you make is really, really good. And I'll tell you where I sold these in a second. So the quality was surprisingly very, very good. When I sold this, when I got this particular product in, I thought it was going to be horrible quality. It has the proper fly fishing guides, the proper shape. It's just a really, really good product. I actually tried to break this and I can't break this particular product. This is a very, very high quality product from China. And it's got the good proper cork on it. The reel seat is very, very good as well. This is a good quality reel seat. This is a 8-foot number 5 fly rod. So if you know anything about fly fishing, you'll know what that is. Okay, so that's the product. Now, one of the main reasons I got into this particular product, guys, is because I love fishing. That's what I do. And I've always said to people, when you start drop shipping or selling products online, if you don't know what to sell, always jump into a niche that you know something about or you're passionate about, because it's so much easier to sell particular products in that niche when you know about the product. So yeah, this is actually a beautiful fishing rod. I'm probably not going to actually throw this away. It's great. Like I can't fault this particular product. It's an amazing product. It's just so clean. Now, the thing about this, guys, when I was selling this particular product, nobody was selling fly fishing rods. Now, look at how much you can, fiberglass fly fishing rods. Look at how much you can actually sell these for. So these, for proper branded ones, you're looking at 300 plus, 900, 400, 800, 900. And the thing about this niche, guys, it's a very passionate niche, okay? Highly passionate. But one thing I hated about this niche, it's very, very micro niche. So you're not going to sell a lot of these products, okay? It's very hard to sell these at mass because it's a very micro niche. There's not a lot of people that are interested in fiberglass fishing rods. Fiberglass fly fishing rods, or fly fishing rods for that matter, because it's not a massive niche. So guys, I'm going to explain to you what I did, okay? So we'll put this down. I just can't believe, I haven't seen this for a long time. The quality is just insane. It's got a carry case, 3-piece. So anyway, guys, this is kind of what happened. So a long time ago, I think it was like 4 or 5 years ago, way before dropshipping was really a thing. This probably would have been like 6 or 7 years ago now when I started selling this. I could only get it from AliExpress, which was a problem. So this is AliExpress here. Now, you could order a minimum 1 piece. They've actually changed it. It used to be different, but that's usually a test product. After then, you have to order a bulk amount. Now, that was fine, but my biggest problem was sending these from New Zealand to America to the UK. Massive shipping costs for me. So it was a problem. So that was another problem. It's another reason why I stopped selling this particular product. So it did eat into my margins a little bit. But the thing is now, guys, is you can actually get this from AliExpress, this exact same brand. Check it out. This is the brand here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. That brand right there. That is the exact same logo on the screen right now. You can drop ship these now for $71 US. And they do e-packet. They do e-packets that will deliver in 12 days, right? So that's one problem solved now. You can get this from AliExpress. Now, how did I sell this? How did I make the money? Well, I didn't use Facebook ads because it's really just wouldn't work for this particular product. Instagram, guys. Now, the thing about this, when I was selling this product, it wasn't popular. Fly fishing wasn't a thing. Online, I should say. Fly fishing was kind of like tight, really tight-knit community, kind of middle-aged men to, older men. But now you've got young people into fly fishing. Instagram has blown it up massively, and I'm going to show you why. So what I did, guys, is I actually went out and contacted just big trout fishing pages, okay? But nowadays, we'll get rid of this. So these are kind of like some trout fishing pages I would contact. All you got to do, guys, is get one sale a day. I think after shipping cost, I was making around about $150 on these at the time. Profit. One sale a day, it's $100 per day profit, okay? So these are just general fly fishing pages. So we have 160K, 115K here. Now, these are just a few pages I've found. There's probably way more pages than this, okay? So you can find lots and lots of fly fishing pages. All I did, guys, was take a photo of the rod. I would actually go fishing because I was, into fishing, and I still am. But if you're not into fishing, all you'd need to do is like take a photo of the rod on like a rock or something, or just a nice photo. That's it. And Instagram is insane for selling products like this, and especially nowadays because Instagram is making these types of niches really popular. If you look at these, they're growing. Here's another Instagram page, but more importantly, guys, here's another one. So there's literally so many, but more importantly, guys, it's getting so popular, and you can tell because there are individual people with private accounts, 56,000 followers. This one here, 102K followers. Now, I'm not saying go and advertise to these people, tell them to advertise your product. It will be a little bit more harder because they're personal profiles, but this is to show you that there is a big demand for fly fishing right now. Here is another one, and here is another one. Okay, so let me just kind of clear things up here, guys, and go over a few things on this product, okay? Number one, it's a great, unique product. It's very unique. Fiberglass fly fishing rods are very expensive if you want to buy branded ones, so this is a cheaper alternative. It is a popular niche on Instagram, which is really good. You can now drop ship this particular product. I still can't get over the quality of this. When you get like electronic products from AliExpress, you run the risk of, problems with that, but there's no, guys, you can't have any problems with this. It's literally a fiberglass rod with some steel eyes for the line. That's it. So the chances of having problems with this product are very, very slim. Now, the downside of this particular product, guys, is it's very micro niche. It's still quite micro niche. I would say it is growing, but it's still quite micro niche. So you would want to sell things like fishing reels as well, fishing flies, fishing fly tackle boxes, fishing fly packages, other trout fishing stuff. So the general niche is trout fishing. The micro niche is fly fishing. So those are the two niches you could possibly advertise this. Now, I'm not going to say that this is going to work for you. This worked for me years ago. I haven't tested this for a super long time, but I'm sure a lot of you guys are smart enough to figure out that you can make quite a lot of money on Instagram with this particular product. Now, what I would highly recommend you do if you do ever decide to go into a niche like fly fishing or trout fishing is go white label, go branded, okay? Test with a few dropshipping products, but if it becomes successful for you, you should definitely order in bulk and get your own brand put on the product. This is the major key in a niche like this. It's all about branding. Myself, I only not really particularly in trout fishing, but when I do saltwater fishing, I only buy one product, and that's Shimano. I'm a very brand-based person when it comes to buying my fishing products. So you really want to go out and brand the product, or generally if you have any type of winning product in any niche, you want to go branded. Obviously, it's going to cost a lot more money to do that, and you run the risk of buying heaps of bulk product that doesn't sell. But if you're serious about making money online with e-commerce, then I highly recommend you go branded. So that's it, guys. This is the product. I sold this for $300, sometimes more, on Instagram, on these pages here where you can literally contact them. I've got tutorials on how to contact these people and just take a nice photo, get your e-commerce store running, your Shopify e-commerce store, and you can go out and you can now drop ship these products. That's the best part, guys, is you can actually drop ship this product now. I could not drop ship this back in the day. That was the biggest disadvantage of selling this particular product. So let's take it down. This is the product in its full glory right here. Beautiful quality, guys. I still can't get over the quality of this product. It is insane quality. And a lot of people always say, hey, you're shipping products from China. This is, guys, everything is made in China. Everything you can probably grab, this is made in China. This is China. Everything, literally, mostly everything comes from China, guys. So, yeah, you can sell products fine from China and they are pretty good quality. This is actually quite a good fishing reel as well, I can see on that these guys sell. Now, guys, you can actually go to their store, okay, and look at all of the other products. So you've got the, the lead lines. This is the lead line for the fly fishing. You've got the flies, you've got more rods, different colors, different variations. You can go up to here, guys, products. There is literally hundreds of products that you can sell. You can stick to one supplier and you can sell products, sell products, sell products. All right, guys. Now, if you made it this far, guys, I just want to let you know that obviously I can't fit all of my e-commerce tutorials into one video. I actually just updated my course. It's about 80% updated. I still have more to add into this training. We're actually doing a massive relaunch soon and upping the price. But if you want to learn more about how to start your own e-commerce store, how to sell products online, and you can now drop ship these products, this product in particular, you don't have to pay anything for the product. You promote this product, and then when you get the money from the person, you go and pay the supplier and they send the product out for you. It's very hands-off and really low risk business model. So I take you through, guys, how to set up your store, sourcing the products, Facebook, Instagram, email marketing, Facebook chatbot, which is new, building out sales funnels, which is new, and Google Ads, which is completely new as well, and then some also organic traffic methods. I take you through literally how to start your own dropshipping e-commerce store from start to finish. Now, the only reason I'm mentioning it right now, guys, at the end of this video, is because you're obviously still interested, but once this is fully updated, 100% updated, it won't be the price it is now. It'll be much more expensive because there'll be much more content. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I just thought it was quite interesting that I still had this product, made some really good money with it back in the day. And who knows, maybe this niche is popular. I do remember that these pages weren't this big way back in the day, obviously, but I can see now that this niche is quite popular nowadays. If you want to jump into my training, guys, link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe for more content when I release it.